Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. So my artwork is not actually abstract. In fact, it is very specifically placed lines, dots, curves, and circles to make words and letters using, shapes like this. So you read this script starting at the bottom and then you go counterclockwise and you spiral inwards. And you can tell where the bottom or start is by that marker, which is shown here as the start here and orientation marker. And reading order is bottom, counterclockwise, and can spiral inwards. So here we have our first word, second word, third word, and then this is kind of its own idea, and then this is its kind of own idea as well, and then we have actually two numbers here. Numbers are built around concentric circles, so we have our decimal point, and then each digit is a ring going out. So let's go ahead and start with our first word. So this is the bottom of our word circle, which means that this is our first letter, and this is a completed circle, which means it's going to be either this stem or this stem because they're both completed circles. Now, the difference between the two is that, come on, focus. This one is inside of the word circle, whereas this one is on the line of the word circle. And if we look at our word, here's our word circle. This is inside, which means it's in this row. And now there are no dots or lines by it, so that makes it a J. So we have a J. And then we continue around. Here's our next letter. This little guy is small, so it's a vowel. So we have a vowel, 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 and the rest are consonants, and then these guys are numbers. So anyway, this vowel on our word circle is outside of it. So that'd be an A. I'm gonna point with this so it stops trying to focus on my hand. I'll actually point with this. It fell down. Come on, you. Get back up. Okay, so we have the J, A, and then we have these two letters. There's a vowel on a consonant. They're what we call stacked. So stacked letters are when anything in the same row is put together, and consonants are read before vowels. So we have the consonant here, and then the vowel. And this consonant is the same letter stem as the J, so we're in this row, except it has 4 dots by it, making it a C. See those black dots? 3 on the outside and 1 on the inside. And then this vowel is attached to the J like a bead on a string, so that would be an O. And then our last letter is a deep divot stem, so top row, and it has no dots or lines, so that would be a B. So these dots are all closer to the C than the B, which is why they go to the C, not the B. So J-A-C-O-B. So that's Jacob. And then we have the word and. It's just a short word. We just have an A outside our word circle like this one. And this A is a smidge closer to that word than this word. And then we have this deep divot. It's the same as that one with 1, 2, 3, 4 dots closer to that. So that would be an ND. So and then we have this word. The bottom of it is here. Our first letter is a vowel. And that vowel is an E on the line. Then we have a shallow divot. So we're in this row. And it has 1 line on it, making it a V, and then another A, just like those A's. So EVA is Eva, and that's that idea. So Jacob and Eva. And then we have this word. So here's the bottom of our word circle, and because these two are pretty close, this vowel is actually attached to this P, and it would normally be read P-A, but we want it to be read A-P, because this is April. And to do that, we put a slash through the A, because in a letter stack, each slash through a vowel moves it up 1 letter in the stack, so this brings the A in front of the P. So P has 1, 2 lines on it, and is a completed circle. So AP, then we have this shallow divot with 1, 2, 3 dots, so that would be an R. And then we have an I, because it has a line going inwards. It's this line here. And then we have 1, 2, 3 dots on this L. Ooh, so there's April. Now we're at the numbers. So this is a 2-digit number because there's 2 rings, and the bigger ring is the bigger digit. So this is the tens place, and then this is the ones place inside it, and here's the decimal point. And to figure out the value in each decimal place, we count the lines that pass through the space. And if there's a dot in the space or a circle, it counts for 5. So this one is 1, 2, so 2 is the tens column, so 2. And then we have a 5, 6, 7, so 7. So 2 in the tens place, 7 in the ones place is 27. Then we have our last number, which is a big 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. So I'm counting up all of the purple spaces. And in this outermost purple space, there's 1, 2 lines, so 2. This next one doesn't have anything, so that would be a 0. This next one has 1, 2, so 2, 0, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 in the tens, 4 in the ones, 2 in the tens, 0 in the hundreds, and 2 in the thousands. So 2, 0, 2, 4. So 2024. So that's the date. And then here's my lovely little signature because this is the original. So yeah. Thank you, Holly, for chatting with me as I was at the Infusion Center and getting this piece made for you specifically. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Bye.